Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Mazda CX-9 versus CR-V. Start by checking passenger needs and cargo priorities before you choose a family SUV. Focus on seating capacity, fuel economy, driving feel, and safety features. Take a test drive to feel handling differences and evaluate tech options hands-on. Consider ownership costs, maintenance expectations, and how often you need cargo versus passenger flexibility to pick the right fit for your life. I will explain how each SUV feels on the road and what to expect from driving dynamics. The CX-9 leans toward sporty handling and brisk acceleration, while the CR-V focuses on smooth comfort and efficiency. Evaluate steering weight, brake feel, and highway stability during a test drive. Also check available drive modes and suspension tuning to see which driving personality matches your commute and weekend plans the best. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful comparisons. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that prevent spills and fit perfectly in CX-9 or CR-V cup holders and cargo bins. They keep snacks tidy on family trips and save cleanup time after errands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. I will help you compare interior features and real-world usability for families. Look at seat comfort, headroom, and the practicality of cargo space with seats folded. Inspect materials, infotainment ease of use, and connectivity options like smartphone integration. Think about daily routines, child seats, groceries, or long road trips. That practical testing reveals which SUV meets your lifestyle rather than relying on badges or trim levels alone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.